Alright, as you can see, well, here, let me grab a light. Okay, as you can see, got the motor back in, got the belts back on. Ready to drop her down, hook up the wiring, hook up the fuel lines, and give this thing a first start. In case you haven't been paying attention, this lawnmower hasn't been started in probably 3 years. My father used to sell these Simplicity lawnmowers, and he retired, but this is one that his neighbor had bought from him back in something like 82, 83, some mid-80s anyway. And just before he closed his business down, the neighbor had bought another one from him and just told him he could have this one back. He said, you know, don't know what's wrong with it. It doesn't seem to burn oil, but every time I mow, I got to put a quart of oil in it because it all leaks out. So that's the project I'm working on, because, you know, now my dad's retired and he has a couple other lawn tractors. I was just over there one day and he said, well, if you want to mess with it, here, go ahead and take it. And I went, well, sure. What the heck, give me something to do once the snow flies. So there you have it. There we go. Almost like it's supposed to happen. Alright, we have landed. I just got to hook up a few more things here and get the starter hooked back up, get the fuel line hooked back up, and you guys probably really don't need to watch that. So